Hey, this is Mick from NOLFnews.com. When you're all complete with your level, added starting points, game spots, and whatever else is in your level, it's time to process it. So when you're done, make sure it's saved, and go to World, Process. In your final process, you want to make sure you have Import Geometry, Import Texture Flags, Ignore Hidden, Fix T-Junctions, Apply Lighting, Shadows, and Beaten Lights maps, Full Optimization, and uncheck Fast Approximation, because we're no longer testing. And make sure you crank that polybar just about all the way up. That'll make the frame rates go insanely a lot better than during testing will. Then go ahead and click OK. After processing, you'll get a window that explains what the level was doing. Make sure to check this make sure you don't see any warnings or problem blushes that it starts talking about. See, found 0 problem blushes. Since we've been working in the Worlds directory, go ahead and open your Worlds directory in your computer. Here it is. No one lives forever /NOLF/worlds in your Worlds directory. You've been working on the basic.ed file. This is what DEdit can read. When it's processed, it makes a basic data file. This data file is what the game reads and you can play online with. If you want to make an image of your level for loading, go ahead and take a screenshot by pushing F8 while you are in the level for testing it, or play the level and push F8 and take some screenshots. Resize this image to 180 by 148 and make it a PCX flavor. Then add that PCX file, the data file, and maybe a text if you wish, to a zip file, and send it to your favorite NOLF sites for downloading for multiplayer action. When downloading or wanting to test your level out, make sure you stick your level, just the data file, not the zip file, the data file, and then maybe the image, into your deathmatch folder, found in your No One Lives Forever custom Worlds multi /deathmatch or assault map, depending on what it is, folder. This is the easy way to do it without having to mess with the res file that came with the tools with NOLF, or getting into WinRes, which we'll get into later in other tutorials. So I hope that helps you out. So this is Mick at NOLFnews.com.